I swear to God, if I see another motherfucker say,
You can't hear lightning, it's thunder.
Bitch, what sound does a cow make?
if you heard a cow moo, would you say, and I said, and I quote, I heard that cow over there.
You didn't hear the cow.
That's its moo. You heard a moo.
Bitch, I'm gonna beat your fucking ass. Do I look like I'm fucking playing? I'm gonna beat your fucking ass. Anybody says that shit to me, I'm throwing hands with them. Oh, you didn't hear the lightning.
You heard its thunder.
You're gonna feel my thunder in a minute.
Oh.
Face.